Alright, and welcome to this episode. My name is Abel Gray Kantoma. I'm from Greatest Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or call me on any of these numbers, okay? On this episode, we are going to generate our stories. On the previous episode, we were able to model our slab, our beam, and our column. So on this episode, I'm going to show you how to generate a story, which is very easy. All you need to do is to come here. You can see the story menu here. If you click on the drop down menu, you see story data. If I click on it, you can see a menu like this will pop up for me. Since I have already generated my model and I have one extra floor at the top, I can just make sure I add this. So once I add this, I can then I can click on OK. Then I will click on auto generate story. So all I need to do now is just to highlight my entire model and I will click on OK. Now you can see automatically this has generated this for me, telling me my ground floor, I have my first floor, and then I have my roof floor level. So you can actually name them. So you can see from 0 to 3, from 3, then this we have the height is at 3 meters from the ground floor, which is at level 0, and then it goes at 3 meters. Then from level 2, which is at 3 meters level, the height is equally 3 meters, and then this is the roof level. So at this roof level, it terminates at this level, so it does not have a height. It's also at 0. So similarly, you can equally just rename this in order for you to understand better what you are doing. So I can name this my first floor, and then similarly rename this to my ground, however you want to do it, or foundation level, however. So if I rename this way, I can then just click on OK. So but if I come back to this and I go back to my story here, this at this point I can add new story. So let's say what I have here is not where I want to terminate. Let's say I don't want to terminate it at this level and I want to add more floors at the top here. All I need to do is just to click on add, and then the number of stories I can specify. If I want to add 3 stories, you can see, so I'm inserting from this level, from roof level is where I'm inserting. Okay, so if I'm inserting from this level, I can just type in my floor, number of stories, and then I'll click on OK. So automatically all of these floors are going to be added at the top here. As you can see, this is basically what I have. Good. So you can see the roof level has been shifted up. So this is basically how to come about your stories. You can increase the number of stories. You can as well also delete any story that you do not want. Okay, so let's say okay, they are all at 3 meters height, which is okay. So similarly, I can also change the name of this to be my second floor. This is my third. So good. So once you have this, then you are good to go. Similarly, you can copy stories, you can divide story by level, you can merge the selected story, you can as well delete the selected story. So any story I do not want here, I can just simply just select it and click on delete, click exiting structure, I will delete it. So if you view this, you see that that has reduced. Similarly, I can delete this, delete existing structure. You can see that has been deleted as well. So if you like what you are seeing, make sure you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. Post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on the daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. So make sure you stay safe and stay blessed, and I will see you on the next one.